Time to know the top stories of the day. I am Ace Perez and this is Newsbits Tonight. The Philippines confirmed case of the 2019 novel coronavirus acute respiratory disease now climbs to 3 after a sample from a 60-year-old Chinese female national tested positive for the virus. For the details, here's Rob Gumba.
The Department of Health has confirmed that a sample from 60-year-old Chinese female patient under investigation tested positive for the 2019 novel coronavirus acute respiratory disease. She is the third confirmed positive case of nCoV in the country. The patient arrived in Cebu from Wuhan, China via Hong Kong last January 20 and then went directly to Bohol thereafter. On January 22, upon arrival, the patient was not feeling well and stayed in the hotel and consulted a private hospital in Bohol after experiencing fever. According to the DOH, several samples were taken from the patient on January 23 and 24. A sample was taken from the patient last January 24, was tested in the Research Institute for Tropical Medicine and a laboratory in Australia, and the results came back negative. The results arrived on January 29 from Australia. Upon recovery, the patient was sent back to China. However, on February 3, the DOH notified that her sample taken last January 23 tested positive for the 2019 nCoV ARD. Rob Gumba, Newsbits Tonight.
The 4 patients under investigation or PUI of the 2019 novel coronavirus acute respiratory disease are currently at the 2 state-run hospitals' isolation facilities in Davao Region. Julia Trevita has more in this report.
Department of Health Davao Regional Epidemiology Surveillance Unit Head Dr. Cleo Fetabada said in a press conference on Tuesday, February 4, that 4 patients were admitted at Davao Regional Medical Center and Southern Philippines Medical Center. But health authorities, however, assured that their conditions are not on a serious level.
Yun po yung dalawang isolation facility ng Region 11 for now. Although we're trying to set up isolation in level 2 and level 3 facilities. Pero so far, yung na-isolate natin, yung dalawa pa muna. May laman po yung dalawang, yes.
There were previously 5 PUIs based on DOH 2019 nCoV case tracker in Davao, but Abada said the first PUI in the region was already discharged after the patient was already asymptomatic or does not manifest symptoms any longer. But close monitoring is still being implemented while the result for the samples has not yet arrived. DOH expanded the criteria for PUI from just those who have traveled to Wuhan. They now include those who came from mainland China, Macau, and Hong Kong. Included also in the criteria are if a person has lower respiratory illness such as cough and fever, and if a person had contact with an infected person. The PUIs will be isolated until they reach the 14-day incubation period from the time they were exposed. Meanwhile, DOH Davao Assistant Regional Director Dr. Lenny Joy Johnson Rivera assured that the 2 hospitals in the region are equipped to accommodate should one of the PUIs test positive for 2019 nCoV. The DOH reiterated to the public to practice prevention measures such as proper hand washing, observance of cough etiquette, and maintaining healthy lifestyle for added resistance against infectious disease. Julia Trevita, Newsbits Tonight.
To check for more stories, visit our website www.sunstar.com.ph/Davao, subscribe on our YouTube channel, and follow our social media accounts on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You can also grab a copy of Sunstar Davao at Davao Central convenience stores, 7-Eleven, and nearest news outlets. That's all you need to know for tonight. Have a good evening.